Hi, good evening everyone. This is Wafa Lango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We have already discussed the 15 kinds of verbs and today we are going to discuss the 16th verb. It is known as hypothesis verbs. So let's begin the hypothesis verbs. The definition of hypothesis verbs: those verbs which are usually followed by subjunctives are called hypothesis verbs. What is subjunctive? We will discuss subjunctive moods in detail. For that, we will be learning some of the conditional sentences in detail, that what actually subjunctive means. But over there, it is related with the verbs. So the topic is about the verbs. We will discuss about the hypothesis verbs. Here we talk about hypothetical situation where we have got just imaginary hope or wish to be like or to be in place of that person, but we were not or we are not. So they are used in different ways. Let me a little bit more discuss it with you people, that what actually they are. Now, what is subjunctive? Is a mood that represents an act or state, not as a fact. In reality, that action has not happened like this or had not happened like this. We just talk about it. We just say that it is contingent or it is possible, but we have not done it so far. Now, it has got to talk about the facts and realities which didn't happen in our life. Those can be the present realities or facts, and as well as the past realities or facts. Now, what sort of definition do we have for the present facts? Here we wish against the present facts in the present. Now, whatever the facts are, we wish against those facts and realities if it had happened like this, or it had been like this, or it were like this, etc. And in past facts, we talk about a wish against the past facts in the present. So we talk about the past facts in the present. Formula for present facts is, keep in your mind, first you will have subject, then wish, then after that subject, the past indefinite tense you are going to use. And for past, we will be having the formula subject, wish, that, subject, and then past perfect tense. Keep in your mind, for past we will be having the sentences of past perfect tense, and for present we will be having the sentences of past indefinite. Now, I wish he learned English. Now, over there, this is a wish. In reality, I have not learned English. Now, I say that he doesn't learn English. Clear? He doesn't learn English. I wish he learned English, but reality is that I am wishing that he had learned, but in fact, he does not know about English. And how could it be changed into the past? We say, I wish he had learned English, means he didn't learn English in past. And after that we have got, I wish she were a doctor, means in present she is not a doctor. We are just having the hypothetical situation where we are saying that it would be like this, but in fact or reality it is not like this. And after that we have got the next sentence, I wish she had been a doctor, but she were not a doctor. And keep in your mind, in conditional sentences where we hope, wish for something, we use were. If you use was over here, it will be informal, but both of them are correct. Now in tenses we use the was with subject she, but here you will be using it were. It is also correct. And I wish you had a gun means you don't have a gun. I wish you had a gun. Now you are present in front of me. You do not have that gun with you, and that is what I am wishing for this, that you should have it. But in fact, in reality, you do not have that thing. And in the same way, I've got the next sentence. I wish you had a gun, but reality is what? That you didn't have a gun in past. I wish you had a gun. You could have killed one of them, but the reality that in past you are not having a gun. Note, further details of conditional sentences we will be you will be taught in your coming lectures. I will be having these all in my coming lectures. So of the hypothesis verbs. Now a question arises that what are your hypothetical verbs or hypothesis verbs. So let me tell you, here you are wishing. When you wish, that does not come in reality for you. That learning is your hypothesis verb, and here were a doctor, and here had a gun. So in the same way, here learnt, had been, and had. This one is helping verb, this is your hypothesis verb. And in hypothesis verbs, as I told you, we will discuss them in detail in our conditional sentences. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.